Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am here again with art and craft class. And what we are going to do today? Today we are going to make card. Card for what? For Mother's Day. So what all items we require today for this activity? We need drawing notebook so that we will take out a page from it. After this we need scissors, glue and one refill. So with the help of all these items, we will make a beautiful card for our mother. So let's start.
Let's start with the base of our card. Fold it. After folding, I'll fold it one more time so that I'll get the center of this page. Now I'll draw a heart shape here. Now I'll cut it along the line which I have drawn, and be careful while cutting it and leave little space upside. Now let's cut the other side. Now the base of our card is ready. Now moving forward to draw the flower. We are not going to draw, but I am just drawing the lines, and there is no perfect measurement. In any pattern or in any size you can draw it, and then we will cut it. And it's like paper folding flower. We will fold it and we will get a beautiful flower, or you can say roses. Like this you have to cut. As I told you, there is no perfect measurement. Now let's learn how to make these flowers. For making these flowers you need refill. With the help of this refill we will make it. Just try to twist this end of this paper here along with the refill and try to roll it. Here you can see that the flower is almost ready. Just loose it little bit so that it will look like a rose. And this part here we will paste glue. You can apply Fevicol here, and we will just place this flower upside of that portion, and we will press it from the center and from the bottom so that it will not open up. Now let's make one more flower. The process is same. First try to twist it. After twisting a bit, you can take out refill and roll it. Now loose it little bit. We have to loose it, then only it will look like a rose or flower. Then paste it, and we have to make many flowers like this. You can see there is a combination of blue and pink. You can choose color combination of your choice. And here you can see the previous base was little smaller, so I made one more base for the card. And how I am pasting these flowers, in the same way you can do it. I have used two colors, but you can use only one color as well for flower. Now outer line is ready. Let's move inside. Let's paste pink flowers or pink roses. Now you can see it's almost ready, but from the top space was there, its space was visible. So what I am going to do, I am going to make few more flowers and I'll paste these flowers in between to cover that space. Now the card is almost ready. Inside you can decorate it, and after decorating you can write a message for your mom, as you can write Happy Mother's Day or I love you mom. So our card is ready.
So finally we are done with our activity and it's our card. I was not hoping that it will look this much beautiful, as I have tried these flowers for the first time and really it was my first attempt to make these flowers, and after seeing the result I am really very happy that the result of our today's activity is too beautiful. So make it, click it and send it in class WhatsApp group, and inside this card you can write a message for your mother. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. I'll meet you next week. Till that time, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.